Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn in how to use Jobber for loan care business. So the first thing that you should do is to log in and set up your account. So just go to getjobber.com and then log in. Okay, next go to the settings and the gear icon usually at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, so this one, that's right. After that, click on company settings. Okay, then of course you have to fill in your business name, your address, your logo, your tax rates, and your email templates. Now click on the products and services. Okay, and then click on the new line item or add a new item. That's right. So for each service you offer, you can name this as lawn mowing for small yard, and for the description, that's optional, but it's useful. So you can include mowing, edging, and blowing, and then of course the unit price. So you set your flat rate or hourly fee, and then the tax apply if needed. Okay. Then after that, you can upload also an image right here, and then click on create. Okay, that's right. And then the next thing that you should do is you just have to repeat for other services like lawn mowing, large yard, weed removal, hedge trimming, fertilizer application, spring or fall cleanup. Okay, next is to add your new clients. Okay, so just go to the clients in the sidebar. Okay, this one, and then click on new client. That's right. And then you just have to enter the details. So their phone, their name, their address, and then their email. And then for the property location, if different from mailing address, so you can add that as well. And then you can also create a code. Optional, but for good for new customers. So click on codes, new codes, and then just have to select your client. And then just have to add the line item. So choose your loan care service, and then you just have to add notes or photos if needed, and then click send to client if they can approve online. Okay, so you just have to put here the job title for your code. Next is to convert the code to job or create a job directly. So you just have to, go to the jobs, click on new job to create one from scratch, or you can choose one of job or recurring job. And then you just have to add services from your product and services. And then you just have to assign the job to yourself or a team member. And after that, you just have to set schedule, location, and the reminders. So just go to the schedule, click on the calendar. You just have to drag jobs to specific time slots or days, and then group jobs by location for efficiency. Then Jobber sends automatic reminders to your client. And next is your invoices. Okay, so after setting up everything, you can now go to the invoices section. So you can send an invoice to your customer. So click on the invoice at the left side of your screen. Okay, so you can get paid fast. You just have to create your invoice. So first is you have to search for your client. So for example, this is our client. Okay, so I'd be able to see here the different fields. So we just have to fill this out. So for example, the unit price, you just have to type out right here the price. Then we have the contract, the disclaimer, the internal codes, and other details. After that, you just have to click on collect payment, or you can send this as email. Okay, so when you click on the collected payment, you'll be able to choose what kind of payment method do you want to use for this payment. So just make sure that your client will receive your invoice. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.